All right, welcome back. As I've warned Sierra with our friends at WTI, she has to behave because we have a teacher in the house right now.
I know. I was always the one in trouble in class. What's up with that?
She was. David Beatson with WTI, you've been on the program before. I think I'd like to start. Something we just talked about before the break started was really a big view of what WTI is and the great magical things you do in the state of Kansas and beyond.
Definitely. So WTI has been around since 1954. We have 5 campus locations spread throughout the Midwest, and we have 6 technical program offerings. All of those programs really focus on the certification-based aspect of the training so that we can get these folks to work quickly and in-demand careers.
And you do that for sure.
Yeah.
Greg Martinez, you've been with WTI for 11 years. Congratulations. That's awesome. One of the things, though, when I think of WTI, I think of technology programs, but really it's a lot more than that. There's actually a medical side to this. Talk about some of the programs offered through the medical.
We've got 3 various programs. We've got medical assisting, and we've got a billing and coding program, as well as a pharmacy technician program, and all 3 are very high in demand.
Yeah, that's one of the things we want to touch on too, that those careers, they don't really have enough people to fill all the jobs. And so this is really a good way to get into the workforce.
Absolutely, and we get them trained very quickly and efficiently, so that way they're able to get out in the workforce to work in the various career fields, clinical, medical, as well as pharmacy technician.
Yeah, Dave, one of the things also, when I'm done at WTI, your services and what your career services department does is phenomenal. Let's talk about that, because once I finish, that really is when that team starts, right?
Sure. So WTI's career services team will integrate with every single graduate, some during their training, but once you graduate and you're ready to go out and start that career, that's when we really integrate. We've got excellent representation at all of our campus locations. They're all trained internally in the best practices, and the most important thing is that they love working with graduates, love seeing them go to work.
Yes.
And Greg, that's one of the things I really like that makes, I think, WTI different from your average college out there. You really can help students through the process. Talk about maybe some of the students you've had or somebody that you've helped through the process.
We do take it very seriously. We do hands-on training, and we do want to make sure that the students are aware that we'll work with them through all their circumstances about helping them understand the process and helping them understand how to go through school again, so they're able to feel more comfortable and hopefully in a matter of time reach their goal of achieving their success.
And it's really nice that you allow them to ask questions and you make sure that they really understand after every class what's going on.
Absolutely, because we want to make sure that they obviously understand the material, because we are accelerated program. We want to make sure they feel comfortable in what they're learning at the school.
Yeah, besides medical, let's talk about that. We've talked a lot about medical. Boy, you guys are much deeper than that. Expand some of the courses, if you will.
So like I said, we offer 6 different technical programs: heating and air, medical assistant, farm tech, billing and coding, IT and electronic systems technology. Various programs are offered at different locations, but the important thing about the programs that WTI selects is they're what's most in demand in those markets.
Yes, yes.
One of the programs I like, David, is that you help with externships. Talk about how that helps your students.
Certainly. For all of our medical programs, WTI will actually facilitate an externship connection. So that means whether I'm a farm tech, biller and coder, or medical assistant, I'm going to get an opportunity to spend time in a clinic, in a pharmacy, in a hospital, shadow with doctors, nurses, senior personnel, and really get that opportunity to build my confidence, hone my skill, and start building connections in the healthcare community, which is important.
Oh boy.
Valuable.
Yeah, it is. Greg Martinez, 11 years as a teacher. What's kept you there?
I love this, working with students. I love seeing their dreams come true. I tell them it's not really the grade that you get, it's actually the graduation. I get to see you have your moment in time.
Isn't that neat?
It is really neat.
I bet.
And talk about a little bit about what these students are learning in the program, in the medical program.
They're learning a lot about how the process for how the medical office works, also how to work with the medical office professionals like their doctors, insurance agents, the vendors, etc.
Yeah.
So we make them aware of.
Tulsa, Topeka, Joplin, 2 in Wichita. They have the best way to get a hold of it online, right?
Absolutely. WTI.edu.
Yeah.
Can't ask for better than that.
I know, and I'm near a
And I
teacher,
behaved.
and she behaved. It was just really phenomenal. Way to go, young lady.
I get my gold star.
Thanks, you guys, very much.
Thank you.
Be right back.